Cosmetic dentistry has become increasingly popular, and adding the personal touch of a cosmetic lab can make all the difference in having an amazing smile. Here to tell us more is Dr. Cindy Brayer. She is with Creating Smiles Dental. Hi, Dr. Brayer.
Hi.
Welcome to Daytime.
Thank you.
Tell us what kind of demand you're seeing in cosmetic dentistry these days.
So the pandemic has contributed to an increase in the number of cosmetic cases because our patients are working from home more, and so they're getting a lot more online meetings like Zoom, and they're seeing their faces much more up close and personal. So some of our patients are just not as happy with their smiles, and so we've had more patients come to our office asking about Smile Makeovers and how they can improve the look of their smile.
So when they want to do that, when they come in and say, I'd like to enhance my smile, how do you choose what treatment is best for what patient?
Well, we recommend that they have a cosmetic consultation, and in our office there's two ways of doing that. Either they can do a virtual teledentistry consultation from the comforts and convenience of their home, or they can come into our office and have a complimentary cosmetic consultation where we're able to actually look in their mouth and speak with them directly and see, what we can do to help them with their smile.
And your office offers what you call a game changer in cosmetic dentistry. Tell me about that.
So we have a lab called the Tooth Genie Dental Lab, who is amazing, and what they do is they come directly into our office and they meet our patients, and they really give us personalized care, communication, and convenience, which really is critical to the success of our cosmetic cases. And our patients, they love that our lab technician, Nam Nguyen, is the owner, and he will be the person who makes their restorations, so they can communicate their desires, expectations, and tell him exactly what they want for their smile. During the visit, he'll take professional photos of our patients, and he matches the shade of their teeth and helps to pick the ideal shade based on our patients' preferences. We can use the patient's photos to make a computer-generated smile simulation to give patients an idea of what their smile can look like. And then the Tooth Genie waxes up the case so patients see exactly how their teeth will look three-dimensionally. And we can also use this wax up to make temporaries for them to try in their mouth. And then he makes the final veneers and crowns with the shade and shape that the patients request in his local Tampa dental lab to get high quality aesthetics, so that the patients will absolutely love their final results. And so here are a few examples of pictures we have showing before and after Smile Makeovers, and these patients are so happy and confident with their new smiles. So the first one is showing a patient who had wanted a natural smile that showed more of her teeth when she smiled. And first we did Invisalign to close her gaps. Then the Tooth Genie met with the patient to get a sense of what she wanted so he could make beautiful restorations to achieve the natural look she was aiming for. And the patient was thrilled with the final results. Here's another dramatic case in which the patient wanted a brighter, whiter smile, and the Tooth Genie and I listened to her wishes, and we were able to help her achieve the smile of her dreams.
The photos look incredible, but it's always good to hear from the patients themselves. So let's hear from one of your patients.
When I needed implants and restoration, Dr. Brayer introduced me to the Tooth Genie. He actually came to our dental office where we had our consultation. He watched how I smiled, laughed, and talked prior to making a wax prototype for my approval. He wanted to assure me that I had a very natural looking smile. I received the same caring and professionalism that I've received from Dr. Brayer over the years.
That is quite an endorsement. Sounds like you're changing lives. Dr. Brayer, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Our pleasure. And for more information, you can visit creating-smiles.com or call one of their 2 locations in St. Petersburg and Clearwater. Daytime will be right back.